If your sewing machine doesn't have any special decorative stitches, you still have plenty of options to jazz up your clothes using standard stitches. In this video, I'll show you how to use multiple colors of thread. I'm threading the machine with 3 different colors. Threads. I place the spools alternately, turning them left and right. I once learned that this way, your threads are less likely to get tangled. The sewing machine, I thread it in the usual way. To pull the threads through the needle, I don't use the sewing machine's built-in threader, but a separate one. This makes threading the needle much easier. I sew both a straight stitch and a gentle zigzag. This way, you can give your homemade or store-bought clothes that extra finishing touch. Did you enjoy this video? Click the subscribe button and stay up to date with new videos.